Yeah, make 250k in less than 45 days or you get back your money. My name is Chukwuka. I'm a digital marketer. In 2015, after my business collapsed, I started looking for other jobs, but without any success. I decided to gain a skill on computer programming, which I learned for 6 months to 1 year. I started seeking out jobs for computer programming, but without any good success. So I decided to go into affiliate marketing. I tried different ways to make money online by affiliate marketing, and first, it was not beneficial at all. Even the affiliate marketing like Commission Junction, I did not even make a penny from them. So I continued teaching. I teach private lessons and different people, but still yet I was not getting the amount of money I wanted. So in 2017, I decided to go to Lagos to seek out for more greener pastures. So I hustled, went for different jobs, did not get any job. Then even the one I got, I was not even paid for the first month, so I decided to quit. After then, my friend the guy I was staying with, he decided to take me to one of his friends, which was an affiliate marketer for Jumia. He was actually a sales rep, but after 1 month consistency of being with him, following him, watching what he do, practicing, and him teaching me, bringing out all his heart to teach me, I was able to make my first 100k at the end of that month. That was September of 2017, and that 100k was like, it was a lot of money to me, because I remember when I received the alert in the post there, I wanted to jump up and scream, but the guys there, I did not want to look a bit awkward, so I just relaxed. So I kept on working, and after 3 months, 7 months, 3 months, 4 months, I was able, with consistent work, I was able to make at least 300 to 400k monthly on a consistent basis. An increase, and I was able to. Some people will be wondering, how can this work? Yes, affiliate marketing really works in Nigeria. You can Google it. You can Google out for different affiliate marketing in Nigeria. It really works, and there are a lot of people that makes a lot of money. In fact, I'm just still coming up. I know someday I'm going to be like my bosses, but for now I'm still coming up, and I'm trying to share with you that which I've learned, and to introduce you to even the opportunity for you to be financially independent, for you to be able to make more money online, even as side hustle besides the job you are currently doing, because it's very easy to do, and it's something, I mean that it does not require capital to start up. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing whereby you can sell other people's product even without your product. I've been very privileged to meet very wonderful people who have been able to put me through in this my journey, and one of them today I will be introducing to you is Mr. Tony Omotosho. Mr. Tony Omotosho is the co-founder of Expatriate, an affiliate marketing company. You can actually browse it out, and you will see his name there, and how he has been beneficial to a lot of people, how he has helped a lot of people to gain financial freedom. So today, Mr. Tony Omotosho is actually organizing a course, which is a 72 ID program, in which to teach you and mentor you how you will be able to sell products online. A lot of people have testified to the success of this program. I too am a personal testimony to this program, and he's giving out this course for a very small token with a lot of bonus. Actually, and one of the bonus we enjoy from attending this course is a one-on-one mentorship with Mr. Tony Omotosho. A 1 year mentorship. Sitting down with Mr. Tony for a year is valued for a day, that is an hour, costs at least 150k. Yes, that is what it actually costs. And you'll be getting that for 1 year. Isn't that more than value that you can offer, you can get for just a token of money? And another thing you gain is you are going to be part of a membership of Expatriate platform, where you get 2 years subscription which can cost for 20,000 naira. And if you are able to buy this course now, because I believe in it, I believe it will be beneficial to you, I believe it will help you to be more financially free, I'm going to be giving you several bonuses. And one of the bonuses I will be giving you is Camtasia software, which is a video software that can help you to edit your videos online, and so that you'll be able to get a quality video online. It actually costs $249, but I will be giving it to you for free. And that bonus is an Audacity audio software. I'll be giving you that for free. I'll be giving you my Facebook secret video that will teach you how to be able to run a Facebook course to target the right people on Facebook. I will be giving you that for free too. All these are bonuses which you are going to get from buying this course. And this value of this course, this bonus is cost at least nothing less than 200 to almost 300,000 for the bonuses, but and the cost. And really, they are not giving. That is not what we are charging. He's charging you for it. What he's charging you, you'll be paying 40,000 naira. Isn't that so good? So when you buy this course, all you need to do is just to screenshot the receipt and send it to this email that is located here, and you are going to be getting all these bonuses. So right now, go ahead and make that order by clicking the link below, and you'll be getting all these bonuses, and you have the guarantee to make at least 200,000 in less than 45 days, or you get your money back. This with an apology, and is not for lazy people. You have to put in some work. You have to practice what is being taught in the video. You don't have to discard it. So if you are the type that is willing to work to gain your financial freedom, click the link below and get the course now. It is for a limited time. So see you there. I will be glad to be able to be a support to help you to attain your goal of financial freedom. Thank you.